Hi guys, it's Sunny, your North Country knitter, and today we are here with a mystery box unboxing. Yay! Okay, so I kind of had to do this quickly because my girls are downstairs playing, but I simply could not wait to open up these boxes because look at them! Oh my god, they're massive and heavy. Yes. So I had a family member send me these. Hi. They got here really fast. They shipped out Tuesday, I think, and they got here today. Today is Friday, April 17th. And so this is going to be a little bit rushed, but that's okay. Everybody's doing good downstairs. And my lighting is changing. That's okay, too. My family member sent me these. They're de-stashing, cleaning out their yarn, cleaning out just in general. And she asked me if I wanted these. Am I going to say no to yarn? No, I'm not. So I kind of have an idea of what's in here because I did get sent a picture, but I don't know what's in all of it. So we're going to find out together. I hope you enjoy this. I have not opened the boxes. Don't know how to open the boxes. Where we go here? Here we go. Here's the top. You guys are gonna see my mad unboxing skills. As long as I don't like slice a finger in the process, because I'm not redoing this. Ooh, okay. One box is open. I'll peek inside. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. All right, so this is Mary Maxim Baby. It's 100% acrylic, and it's in the colorway Mist. And I have never felt this before. Oh, it's soft. Come on. It is very soft. And I have plenty of ideas for this. It is a 2-weight fine. I'm very excited to have this. I use up a lot of baby yarn. And so I have 2 of those, and they're both the same. Oh, goodness. This is funky yarn. Red Heart Boutique Changes. I've never used a yarn like this before. So as you can see, it has a bunch of different textures in it. It's got like sparkle in it. It's got loopy. It's got straight yarn. That is going to be fun to work with. It's a number 4, and it's from Martin. Is anybody from Maine in that area? Anybody know what Martin's is? Because I do. Love Martin's. So there's that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And I see a bunch of cotton yarn. Oh, wait, there's 5 of those. And I see a bunch of cotton yarn in here, which I use a lot of. I use this to make candy corn washcloths. I have yellows and this really pretty color. What colorway is this? Doesn't say. I don't have the color name. Oh, freshly pressed. There we go. Some pretty purples. And this really pretty, like navy blue. And, ooh, this sage green. So that is what is in that one. And then a couple just little odds and ends. Yay, thank you. I'm still out of breath from like running these up here. Oh my goodness, the bottom's open. Well, Here we go. All right, this is the one I got a sneak peek of. Look at that. Oh, it is super heavy. All right, so first there is the Serenity. Wait, no. This is not Serenity. There is, yes, it is. Serenity. It says it right there. And this is a sock weight yarn. And I saw this color and I was like, oh my gosh, it's my oldest daughter's sweater, crocheted sweater yarn that was used to make the crochet sweater. Which still fits her, by the way. A couple years ago, she made my eldest daughter a crocheted sweater vest. It's not a sweater vest, but an open sweater. It doesn't close in the front. And this is the yarn she used. So there's a lot of this, but I have plenty of things I can do for it. And I do, in fact, want to make some more socks. Anybody who has been following me knows of my ordeals with socks, and I finished my first pair and then was so shocked because I wanted to make another pair right away, and it had taken me years to finish my first sock, but now I have sock yarn. So there's there's a lot of that. Quite a bit. So I have plenty to make a sock with, and then a bunch of other things. I'm not even counting, guys. There's so much. And then I see this Lion Brand Amazing. I've never used this either. Sorry, I hear the mail truck outside. This is very soft. It's in the colorway Vineyard. It's a medium 4. And it's 53% wool and 47% acrylic. And there's 147 yards. So I like this. It looks like there's 5 in that color. I'm excited to make something with that. And 1, 2, 3, 4 in this color, which is Pink Sands. That's really pretty. I know the girls would love something made of that. Oh my goodness. This is pretty. This is Red Heart Unforgettable Waves. This is a medium 4 in the colorway Prairie. I used to live in the prairie. I used to live in Kansas. It is a medium 4 and it's 119 yards. Look at that scarf. I think I might try to make that scarf. That's really pretty. Sorry, I heard someone outside. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of that. 9 of that. And then this chunkier Red Heart Mixology Prints. This is all new to me. This is a super bulky, and it is in the colorway Calypso Print, and there's 65 yards. Look at it close up. Sorry, I always forget to do close-ups. So there's 3 of those. And the color of it, it's a little more vibrant in person. It looks a little faded in that video, but it's a little more vibrant. All of these, I don't know if you can still get them or not. Ooh, this is interesting. Samsung Textile, made in Korea, 100% polyester and 80 grams plus 5. Look at that. That is super sparkly. There is no other information on the label, but it'd be really nice to add to something. It's a little harder than, it might be good to make like decorations or something. But I love it. The girls would love something made out of that. Serenity Premier Serenity sock. There we go. And this is the color navy blue marine. So enough there to make a pair of socks for me. And Premier Yarns Eversoft. Ooh, this is really soft. This is a medium 4. World Vision Knit for Kids. Help us donate. That's neat. 100,000 hand knits to the World Children's. Very cool. 130. Very pretty. I hear the girls downstairs. They're playing. My little one is sleeping, and then my other two are playing. So, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of this color. Did I say what color it was? I don't think I did. I don't see the color. Oh, color Misty. Oops. So there's that one. I love that. I can make lots of stuff with that. And let's see. Heartland Tweed by Lion Brand. This is a medium 4, and there's 200 yards, and it's speckled. I love speckled yarn. You see it has a little bit of, it's like, I don't know how to say that. The speckling is not in the yarn, it's different little fibers woven in. There we go. I have a piece of tape on my hand. Look at that. So there's 2 of those. And, ooh, I love this yarn in Super Soft Super Savings. I love this yarn. It's from Hobby Lobby, I do believe. And we were just getting a Hobby Lobby, and then the world like stopped because of the coronavirus or COVID-19. So I don't have a Hobby Lobby nearby yet, but hopefully it still opens up. So here's my little intro to their, I love this yarn. I don't think I've ever used it before. So it's 100% acrylic and is new for me to figure out. 252 yards, and they recommend a size 8 needle. So there's that one. What color is it in? Plums. Very pretty. I think there's just one of those. Yes. Oh, a couple more of the Amazing. And oh, I know this has to be Croy sock yarn. It has to be. Doesn't it? Doesn't it look like that? Pretty sure it is. And a couple more little odds and ends. These are really pretty. Sparkly. I don't know what they are. And oh dear, it's a loom. I've never used one of these. I've seen how it's done, but I've never used one. So maybe I'll give it a go. Oh, it moves. Look at Can you tell I've never used one? I don't know what brand it is or anything. So, whew, that's a lot of yarn, and I don't need to buy any for a long time. I am excited to use this to see how it comes out. The boutique changes, and then of course all the baby yarn, so I can keep working on my preemie hats. I think I'm up to 10, and I had to make 40 this year at least. So definitely excited about those, and of course the sock yarn, so I can make myself some socks. My eldest wants me to make her a pair too, and I'm a little worried about that. My first pair didn't come out well. Of course, if I made a kid size one, it wouldn't take so long. And I want to try a toe up version. So, yes. So that was my mystery box on mystery yarn unboxing. Thank you so much. I know you're watching. I can't wait to start diving in and knitting some things up. I think I'm going to take this downstairs right now and make up a preemie hat just so I can see the colors come out. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you all had fun watching. That's all I have. I do plan on making several videos this weekend. I have, I think, about 3 that I need to make. If you do enjoy these types of videos, I have a whole channel, the North Country Knitter. I do yarn chit chat. I do unboxings. I need to do a yarn review, and I also do I have a playlist of channels that I like to watch. So there we go. If you like this, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel, and thank y'all for watching. Bye.